out what's going on here. More packaging here. Alright, so let's see if we can pull this bad boy out. A lot of packaging. More stuff. More stuff. For the air ducts, some instructions. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's gonna fit perfectly for the garage. You see, this one has this little piece.
Yeah, I know.
It's 6-foot holes, I believe. So, tubing for the water. Stuff here. Styrofoam. Paneling for. And here is the actual unit. This box actually comes up. Alright, so let's
Look at that. That looks
toss
good.
that to the side. Oh, she's a pretty girl.
That's a.
Let's get a
Alexa.
close up here.
Has Alexa built in.
Alright, let's get a little close up here of this. Oh yeah, that's nice. She is pretty. Oh, look at her. Okay. Remote control. Put that here with the rest of the stuff. Power cables and all that. So let's take all this off. That's right there for the water. Okay. So, we're gonna set this up and then we'll see how it works. Alright, so let's continue working here. This. She got wheels, that's nice. Previous one didn't have wheels, so that's good. That one did have wheels?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is so much packaging material. I'm gonna trip up on all this stuff. Put this here this time. Wow. So, let's do it first. I got that here. All right. So, we got her set up here. We're gonna turn her on and see how she cools. All right, so here it is set up. And yep, she is blowing some hot, cold air. 61 degrees. Fan level 3.